Hey guys, how are you? This is Yifan, and today I'm going to talk about how to create a free EC2 instance with VyOS. Firstly, I believe some of our classmates are facing a huge problem of how to create an instance of VyOS. If we want to create an instance, we will see there is a problem. Let me just go to the page. Okay, yeah, it's here. If we want to launch an instance, and we can, if we want to launch an instance, firstly we can see there are some of instance type we can choose, and I think the default one is like the t2-micro, and this is free for us if we are the first year user of AWS. However, if we search the VyOS here, because we need to install VyOS on the instance, we can see there are some of results. For these two, I think they are official versions, so it's not free. We have to pay for it. So we need to choose the community version, which is free. And we can see there are a lot of versions, different versions of VyOS, and they are free. We can just click the select to select any version of VyOS. However, the problem is if we selected one of the version of VyOS, we may see, my laptop is so slow. We may see the type of instance has been changed to a not free version. And it is a little bit expensive. We can see there are a lot of memories, there are a lot of virtual CPU courses, and actually, I don't think we need to use this high performance instance to just create a router instance. We can only use the T2, the free version, t2-micro, to build it. And if I want to select the t2-micro, we will find that we cannot select this choice because it is not supported. As you know, the t2-micro is enough for the VyOS, but I don't know the reason, so I have to find another way to install the VyOS on a t2-micro. And I think I have finished this part, so I can show what I have done. So firstly we can see the steps. I think the result of this problem is like to use AWS-CLI to create the VyOS instance. If we use AWS-CLI to create the instance, it may not check our type of instance. So, which means that we can install some of unsupported image on any kind of instance, like the free one, t2-micro. I think just that. So let's just proceed, and I will show how to configure something about it. And firstly, I just assume that you have already finished the step. You have already finished the steps from 1 to 9. Let's go to the official documentation of the Lab 2. I assume you have already done the step 1 from step 1 to the step 9, and I assume you are just trying to figure out the step 10, this problem. And yeah, so I think now, firstly we need to install the AWS-CLI, which is required. So what is AWS-CLI? It is like the command line interface, and we can use this. If we have the AWS-CLI, we can just use the command line to create a new instance, to control the instance, to manage something, and so on. It is. I don't know. It is easy, but it is a way to control it, and we can avoid some checking. So we can just search the AWS-CLI on Google, and you may find this page. You will find this web page to help you install it. We can see AWS-CLI supports Linux, Mac OS, and Windows on your physical PC. So firstly, as you know, I'm currently using Ubuntu on my physical PC. So let me choose Linux to install it. It is pretty easy. So for Linux and Mac OS user, we can just only use the apt get to install the AWS-CLI. It is easier than the official method to install it. So let me just type apt get and install. The name of the program should be AWS-CLI. Let me type my password of my physical PC. Okay, we can see I have already had this program. So it is the newest version. But if you do not have it, it will be installed right now. And if you are a Windows user, you can easily download the official installer for the AWS-CLI to install it. It is also pretty easy. Okay, so the next step should be configure your AWS access key. So what is this key? It is just like the if we want to use the web page to log in the AWS, we need to type the username and the password. But if we want to use CLI, the client lines, we cannot type the username and the password. We can only type the access key to log in. So firstly, I think we should configure the key first, and we can just click our username and go to the security credentials, and we can find the access key here. You can just click the create access key to have a new key. But you can see now I have two keys. Every single user can only have at most two keys. So if I want to show how to create a key, I have to delete a key right now. So give me a second. I think the step of deleting a key is a little bit complex. I have to copy it here. Okay, so now I have one key, and therefore I can create an access key here. It is easy because we don't need to type anything. We just need to download the CSV file. It is pretty important because it can help you remember the key. And then we can just click the done button. We can see the access key has the key ID and the secret access key. The key ID is just like the username of your account, and the secret access key is like the password. Okay, yeah. So now we have already done this part, and we have the access keys. So yeah, and then we can try to configure. We can try to configure the AWS client line interfaces. AWS configure. Yeah, just type it in your terminal. Okay, and then yeah, the AWS access key is required. You have to type it right now. So yeah, let me just open the CSV file. I just downloaded it a few minutes ago. Let me copy it here. Oh, sorry. Okay, and let me paste the access key, the secret key. Yeah, it's like your password. So do not share it to other people. Yeah. So just paste it here. And we also need to select the default region name. So I think all of us should choose the US West 2 because it is required by the official document of the Step. And for the output format, I think we can just use the default choice, the JSON. Okay, and please note that if you are not the first time to use the AWS, you will see this. Yeah, but if you are the first time, you may not see it. So just ignore it. And yeah, and right now I think we have already configured the AWS-CLI. So we need to do more about preparation for creating an instance. So firstly, we need to configure the key pairs. The key pairs is not the same thing. It's not the same thing of the access key. The access key is for your AWS account, but the key pairs is actually for the operation system inside your instance. For example, if you want to use SSH to connect some of PC, you have to type the password of the remote PC. Yeah, but in AWS, we don't need to use the password. We need to use the public key. So yeah, we need to create the key pairs for logging in the system inside the instance. So let's just go to the key pairs. Let me find what is the key pairs. Oh, it's here. So yeah, if you want to, if you do not have the valid key pairs, you need to create a new key pairs here. You have to type the name. Please note that the key pair name is pretty important because we will use it in the future. So let me just select the key pair name, like key pair test, and we need to use the RSA as the type of key pair. And we also need to select the PEM as a format if we want to use SSH instead of PATI. So let's create the new key pair. And then you can see, yeah, the key pair has been, this one has been created right now, and there is a file. Yeah, you can see a PEM file was downloaded right now. And this PEM file is like the key of your remote PC. So please make sure you save it carefully. Do not delete it. Okay, so yeah, and the next step should be configure the security groups and network interfaces. So for the give me a second. Yeah, let me double check. Okay, Oh, I think it is not the network interface. It should be the subnet. Yeah, it should be the subnets. So firstly, let's just configure the security groups. Let me see, where is the security groups? It's here. Yeah, we have to create a security groups by following the step 11 in our official documentation of Lab 2. Yeah, by following this instruction, we can build a new security groups, and also we need to make sure our subnets has been created successfully, which is located in the VPC page. But yeah, it's here. Yeah, and please make sure it has been configured properly and you have the subnet ID. So I think right now we can find your preferred AMI. What is AMI? AMI is just like the image of the instance. It's like the VyOS image, the disk image. So I think how to find the AMI? You can just go to the instances and try to launch instance. Try to launch an instance, and you can find the AMI here. The AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So I think you can type VyOS here, and you will see a lot of results of VyOS. And every single result has their own AMI ID. It's here. Yeah. If you prefer anyone, you can just remember the AMI ID. And I have already chose an AMI ID here, and I have already make sure this ID, this AMI is available for t2-micro by using the AMI-CLI, the AWS-CLI, but I'm not sure other AMIs are available or not. I'm not sure, so you can just try it. And okay, so I think therefore we have already done the preparation, and we can try to use AMI-CLI to create a VyOS instance, but by using the terminal. So it is like some of information we have to replace. So firstly, we have already know the AMI ID. I have this one. I have this one. So if you prefer any other AMI, you can just try it and copy the AMI ID here. And also, we want to choose the free instance type. So let me choose the t2-micro. And also, I have already created the key pair. Please make sure the key name is not the access key, it's the key pair's name. So I have the key pair, which name is just like key pair test. So let me replace it here. Key pair test. Okay, and the security group ID, I also have it. Let me just find it. The security group ID. Oh, it's here. Let me go to a security group page, and this one I'd like to use it. Okay, so let me paste the security. Oh, I can just paste it here in order to remove the formatting. Okay, and also the subnet ID, I also have it. we can just select our preferred subnet and copy the subnet ID here. Oh, I also need to, yeah. Okay, and I think right now we can just try to run this command on our terminal. So let me paste and try to run. Okay, and if you see, if you see a JSON, and if you see a JSON information, which means that it should be successful, and then you can go to the instances page to find your this instance. You just created it by using CLI. You can see there is a new one here. It is no name, so let me just give it a name, a new one. Yeah, and also it is being initializing. So it is being initialized. So we have to wait for it just a few minutes to run it. And also we can see there is a public IP address, but it is not the elastic IP. So we also have to go to the elastic IPs to create a new IP address for this new instance. Oh, sorry, the maximum number has been reached, but it's okay. Yeah, I can just delete one I don't want to use. Okay, give me a second. I have to delete one. Let me see which one I can delete it right now. It's this one. Yeah, it's 149 dot. Yeah, let me go to the elastic IP to delete this one. Yeah, it's this one. So I can delete it to create a new one, and also I can just deassociate and associate again. Yeah. I think the best way to associate an elastic IP address to an instance is to use the network interfaces. Use the network interface. But right now, I just want to show how to create the instance. So I use the instance to bind the IP to an instance. Yeah, new one. Okay. I can associate right now. Okay, and yeah, this elastic IP has been associated to the new instance we just created. It, and we can see. Refresh it. Okay, and then we can see the new one has been the initializing was finished, and we can see the new IP address has been already associated completely. So firstly, we can try to ping this public IP to test the IP. Yeah, we can use ping. Okay, we can see it is actually successful. And also, I think we can also use SSH to try to connect the remote PC, the VyOS. So let's use SSH and I. The parameter I is pretty important because we have to use the key to log in. Yeah, which is here, root key. Okay, let me, oh, sorry, it's not this one. Yeah, it's not this one. It's the, it's the key pair test. It's a PM file. Let me choose the correct key. So let me just drag it here. Yeah. And also I need to type the username. So for the VyOS, the username should be exactly VyOS. So just VyOS at the public IP address. So we need to copy the public IP address and paste here. Okay, so just enter. Okay, and yeah. Oh, is there a problem? Let me see. Let me see, what is the problem? The remote host. Okay, I know the reason, because I use the public key again. So I have to run this. Yeah, I have to run this line to I have to run this line to delete the old key. But I think you yeah. Okay, so then I can do it again. If you use a new IP, you don't need to face you don't have to face this problem. So, okay, so yeah, I should type yes to connect. Okay, so we can see there's a problem because the private key, the key is not protected. It's not a big problem, so we can just change it to a protected mode. It will be okay. So let me just use command chmod 400 and drag the key here. It's a private key. It's not public key. Sorry. And then I can just type the enter. Okay. And then we can see this file has been protected. You can see there's a lock. And we can do the SSH again. Oh. Let me see what is the problem here. Welcome to why the permission denied. Let me do it again. The permission is denied. Why there is this problem? Let me find the permission denied. Oh, okay. I found the solution. Because my SSH is a pretty new version, so I have to use another parameter here in order to use the old method to calculate the signature. It's also not a pretty huge problem. So give me a second. Okay, and then I can give me a second. I can just copy them here. Oh, sorry. Let me do it again and choose the correct name. Okay, and then it is successful, and I have already logged in the VyOS. Yeah, I can use the top to see. Yeah, you can see it is actually the the t2-micro, because you can see the memory should be 1 GB, and also we can use the ifconfig to find we can see it is the correct IP address of this instance. The private IP address should be fine. Let me show. Let me just Okay, we can see it is the correct IP address of this instance. So I think that's all. And if you guys find any more problem or question, please do not hesitate to ask me, and I will try my best to help you guys figure out some of problems. Okay, thank you for your watching, and have a nice day.